How to fix incompatibility with iCloud for Windows, version 7.7.0.27, on Windows 10 version 1809. FYI, Apple has identified an incompatibility with iCloud for Windows, version 7.7.0.27, that may cause users to have issues updating or syncing shared albums after updating to Windows 10, version 1809. Users who attempt to install iCloud for Windows, version 7.7.0.27, on Windows 10, version 1809 will see a message stating that this version of iCloud for Windows isn't supported, and the installation will fail. Possible solution: Step 1, run your Windows in its safe mode. Here's how: https://goo.gl/muckq5. Go to View Update History, find hotfix, ES, that were installed on November 16, 2018, 4:15 p.m. Pacific Time, then try removing the troublemaker, S, manually. Step 2. The Best of the Show or Hide Updates Troubleshooter package to temporarily prevent the latest Windows October 10, 2018 update from reinstalling on your Windows PC, https://goo.gl/tv14zq. Furthermore, we recommend that you do not attempt to manually update using the Update Now button or the Media Creation tool from the Microsoft Software Download website until this issue is resolved. And, check if you're using Windows 10s installed instead. If yes, you won't be able to install programs like iCloud. And you need to first upgrade to Windows 10 Pro for free. For Windows 10 Home users, perform a repair upgrade, https://goo.gl/mz8x96. Step 3, retry running the official download of iCloud for Windows as admin. Other voices on the web. One. Refer on this link at https://goo.gl/bulletin2upv. Run the program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter as admin, on how to fix problems that block programs from being installed or removed. 2. Start the Windows Installer Services. Press the Windows key and R-type services.msc, and press Enter. Double-click Windows Installer. Set the startup type of Windows Installer to Manual. Click Start to start the service, then OK. 3. Unregister and re-register the Windows installer. Press Windows key and R-type misiexec/unreg and press Enter. To unregister, press Windows key and R-type misiexec/regserver and press Enter. To re-register, 4. Run SFC scan as admin. Five. Check if you installed Apple Software Update. If so, run Apple Updater to add iCloud. Or, uninstall the Apple Updater, reboot, not mandatory, just good practice, and install using the iCloud executable downloaded from Apple site. 6. Start by uninstalling all Apple software via the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Note 1, this includes existing, iCloud itself, iTunes, Apple support software, etc. Note 2, if you too met install media features is missing message. Right-click Use Start button and select Control Panel, then from here select Programs and Features, turn Windows features on and off, located on the left-hand side, you should be able to see a category simply called Media Features with a and icon. From there you can click on the and to expand the tree, and you will need to tick Windows Media Player and get that installed. Note, if the option for enabling Media Player does not appear in the Turn Windows Features on or off area. Try these steps. 1. Check for the Windows update. 2. Install a newer Microsoft Media Features pack at https://goo.gl/fqzwzr. Restart your system when the installation is complete. 3. Manually remove Windows Media Player from Apps and Features at the Manage Optional Feature area. To bypass Media Feature Pack, check when installing iCloud 6.0.2.10 64-bit for Windows 10 Anniversary Update. 1. Download iCloud 64.msi. iCloud 6.0.2.10, 34.3 megabytes, via the official download page at https://goo.gl/6m9rgc. 1.1, run iCloud setup.exe. As administrator, don't click OK when error pops up. 1.2, open Windows Explorer and type %temp% into address bar, hit enter. 1.3. Find folder containing iCloud 64.msi or iCloud.msi for 32-bit Windows. In that %temp% folder, file may be saved in the ixp909.tmp folder. 1.4. Copy iCloud 64.msi to desktop. Click OK in installer error window. 2. Download and run Orca x86_nus.msi. MSI editor, 484 KB 2.1. Download the standalone Windows 10 SDK, 1.1 megabytes, at https://goo.gl/hb2qrl. 2.2, run skasituk.exe. 2.3, select download the Windows SDK and specify destination folder. 2.4, select features to download, check only MSI tools, 54 megabytes. 2.5, when download is done, open destination folder and run installer/orca x86_nus.msi. 2.6. Run orca x86_nus.msi. As administrator. 3. Run orca from start and open iCloud 64.msi. 4. Select launch condition on the left, select ms_media feature pack _installed related line on the right. 5. Click cut row button on the toolbar. 6. Save iCloud 64.msi. 7. Download and install latest iTunes for Windows, https://goo.gl/c5ssbx, then delete iTunes and, optionally Apple Software Update. From Control Panel, iTunes installs those prerequisites on its own and doesn't delete them when you uninstall iTunes. 8. Finally run iCloud 64.msi. As admin and reboot. For power users only, create a key at computer /h key _local _machine /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /setup /Windows features /Windows media version. Note, there doesn't have to be any value in it, as long as the key exists iCloud will install the value of the key to 1.